Let's talk about a highly requested video that a lot of people I see on the internet are searching is in reference to information surrounding day trading and swing trading. Which one is honestly the better option for beginner traders? Okay. If you have a larger size account or money, piled up or put to the side, I see the purpose and reason why people tend to lean towards swing trading or position style trading. But today I want to talk about what are the pros and the reason why day trading is a better option for you. Yes, you watching this video today who has interest moving into a new year, 2026, which is right around the corner. What's sparking more interest in people wanting to trade this route in today's time? This generation of newcomers that are interested in becoming future traders just take more interest in day trading versus, overall swing trading. And I'm going to go ahead and jump into it today. But I want to go ahead and say this right now. If you are someone that is really looking for a valuable strategy that's going to help you grow your account, I say at a quicker pace or faster rate, and also help you increase your profits over time. Now, you have to understand trading is, especially as a beginner, it's all about compounding versus trying to take, quick withdrawals. I'm not telling anyone that, not to withdraw or pull money out. You definitely want to get the real feeling of, being able to make money in this business and taking payouts. But you also want to, I'll say basically within the first 3 to 6 months, be in the compounding phase, okay? And that's what I basically stress here on the channel when I'm talking about the strategy and how I trade, which is very simplistic. It is not complex at all. And if you're interested in understanding and learning more about it, you definitely probably want to become maybe either an elite or an ultra elite supporter or member of the channel. It's very inexpensive. The link is down in the description portion of the video. Just to give you an idea, $6.99 a month basically to become an elite subscriber or a member as far as the private community. That private community consists of a lot of valuable content surrounding each one of the trades that I take and post over on our Discord. I break them down in great detail so that you understand my mindset and, surrounding the strategy in reference to structure, price action, stop loss placement, profit target areas. You get my video playlist, and you also receive a great video surrounding market structure, okay? So there's two different options or tiers you can actually join and become a member of to support the channel, and that is either through becoming an elite supporter or an ultra elite supporter. The link is down in the description portion of the video. It's all through the YouTube tier, management or tier program, which allows content creators like myself to be able to share more valuable information and insight through a private community, and for those individuals who are supporters of the channel to support the efforts like myself as a not only a creator but as a trader as well. I day trade each and every single day. I use a certain strategies surrounding supply and demand, and a lot of people who are part of our Discord community have spent valuable amounts of times understanding the strategy and are profitable and doing well themselves. So if you don't believe me, you can come over and join us on the Discord. It is free. The link is down in the description. But without further ado, I don't want to talk too much about that. That link, if you want to become an elite or an ultra elite supporter, is down in the description. Now, when it comes to the pros of actually day trading, what am I talking about? All right, number one, let's jump into it. No overnight risk. So what does that mean? We are actually trading during the New York Stock Exchange time from 9:30 to basically 5 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, I prefer to stay out of the market. I'm normally out. If I take any trades in the afternoon session, it's going to be no later than 3 o'clock. But primarily, I am either a pre-market or I trade during the first maybe hour and a half, 2 hours after the session opens up. Okay, so meaning you want to close all your positions before that cutoff time when the market actually closes. So you are trading during the same day period of the exchange being open. You're eliminating the overnight risk. Okay, meaning you're avoiding the gaps in between one session to the next, meaning the morning session to the evening session. Any unexpected news that may take place, because some things do kind of push and pull the market even into other sessions like the Asian or even maybe even the London session. Okay, at the close of the market, sometimes we have the earning situations where you may have a major volatile time to where the market's going to shoot up and shoot back down. Okay, and not just that, but also the overnight margin calls just as well. So that's number one, the reason why I prefer day trading over swing. Okay, number two, let's talk about this: the faster way to actually make an income or profit potentials. Okay, you can take a few trades a day and earn very well or just as much as swing trading. Okay, if you know what you're doing and you're taking great scalping setups like I do, I'm only looking for several points a day, maybe 20 points on the NASDAQ or 25 points on the NASDAQ or a few points on the ES futures or gold when it comes to trading the futures. But primarily, I'm focused in on the future index markets. Okay, so being able to scalp and trade 1 to 2 setups a day, yes, you need to place a limitation on the number of trades that you actually take. In all honesty, I believe it helps compound your account even quicker, because if you know what you're doing, you could go in for 1 to 2 setups a day, so a max of maybe 5 to 10 setups a week, and profit more so in 1 week's time than I believe than trying to hold on to a position, for several days, if that's your style of trading, which is swing trading. Okay, so faster income potential. That is the second pro of why I believe day trading is very, very beneficial for a lot of individuals. Number 3, high precision. Remember, you hear me talk about a lot about using top-down analysis to determine the overall direction from a higher chart, and then basically moving down or scaling down when it comes to, okay, we've identified the first couple of steps on our higher base charts. That means the structure of the market. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Identifying and forming a bias within the market, and then marking up our zones, which are our, supply and demand zones, off of the higher base chart, but then moving down and scaling down to a lower chart for entry based. Okay, that is what I use on my lower chart. That helps me get into more a precise entry point. So it helps me redefine a more central location, and it basically helps me eliminate basically drawdown, because when you're swing trading, you can be up and then take major drawdown at the same time. You can be up pretty well, and then maybe you say, hey, I have my stop back here in case, but then the market takes a shift, a dive, and then all the profits that you were into, it quickly comes against you, and you could be a major drawdown, not knowing, is that market, has it already reversed? And if it has, then you could be in a very dire situation to where the market starts to come against you majorly and could possibly stop you out. So having higher control and more precision within the market. And not just that, as a day trader, we're more engaged. We want to feel part of the market. We want to be able to make the decisions and feel like we can get in and get out a lot quicker. So we have more control, but with the mouse being in our hands of the decisions that we can make. All right. We already predefined our stop loss area. We already predefined our target area, and we're in and out of the market in a very short basis of time. Whether that may be something that you're looking at from an order flow standpoint, supply demand standpoint, we can make these real time decisions as the market is actually moving. So that's number 3. Having high control and high precision of the actual trades we take. Number 4 is going to be, have a clear daily routine, meaning we already have our trading plan, right? Prior to getting to the charts, or when we sit down, we have a certain routine as a day trader, what we're looking at, and following that rule base. So it's like our guide. We know it each and every single day. It's like a job, like some people work a 9 to 5 job. For me, I'm working like a 2-hour day job, meaning from 9:30 maybe to 11 o'clock, or from 7:30 to 9 o'clock, just a few hours a day, but I'm still working, right? So I have a predefined routine or a clear routine, which helps me identify part of my own trading plan, what I'm looking for when the market is either pre-market or or the moment it actually opens. So I follow on that plan, right? I don't have to worry about the stress of once the market closes, what's it going to do? Or trying to hold those overnight positions. I have no control of what the market's going to do once it approaches closing, and then once it actually closes. Okay, so I'm looking to trade within a short period of time and be done. I have control of myself, and not say control the markets, but by me putting a plan together, a routine for myself, I have control of what I'm looking for. And then once the market has done, and I'm profiting for the day, I am actually done. Once it closes, just like working a 9 to 5 job, my job is done for that actually day. So following a specific and clear daily routine is a regimen that I stick by every single day within a short period of time. So, that helps me stay, mentally focused, and it helps me stay within my rule book as well. All right. So moving on to number 5, is being able to, basically with the markets being open 23 hours a day, except for the weekends, and then opening back up on Sunday. There are a lot of great benefits of actually day trading. You have tight spreads, there's no PDT rule. Okay. And that allows me to have the benefit of during the actual session, which is trading the open market, where there is volatility within the market, trading within a specific time range when the stock market is actually open. Once it closes and we move into other markets like trading sessions, like the Asian and London, that could be a little bit different. I mean, I'm not trading London session because I'm not actually up. So I'm trading that New York Stock Exchange opening where there's great volatility for day traders like myself. Okay. Again, there's no PDT rule. There's tight spreads. And with the markets being open 23 hours a day, you can take the option or choice of trade Asian or London as well. But you have to also understand, because the market is closed 1 hour out of the day for maintenance, okay, and settlement time. But you have the control and the flexibility of actually trading, okay. But I believe some of the best opportunities takes place during the New York Stock Exchange opening, and that's from 9:30 basically to 5 p.m. But again, like I said, my cutoff is at a certain time of actually trading, okay. So intraday trading, the volatility there, there's a lot of opportunity in being very beneficial. So those are basically my 5 pros when it comes to day trading. And, I'm not saying that there's not any pros or even cons to actually day trading, but I'm not saying that there's not pros to swing trading as well. But I'm talking to you guys, the audience, the majority who are beginner traders starting off and maybe have small amounts of money or capital, or maybe some of you turn to the funded prop firm route. But either way, we have, as a beginner trader, the premise and the idea as wanting to become a day trader, and having control of your own, your own destiny, is being able to trade during the session, to be able to compound an account. Okay. That's the thing about it. We want to be able to show growth. And I believe that people have more control when they're tapped into and are more engaged, like sitting in front of the screen, the charts a few hours a day. That's all you really need to make your money and move on, and then do the same process over again the next day. Now, again, anyone out there who does swing trade, or who is a position trader, I'm not knocking you guys. I'm just sharing with the community of individuals out there who may come into a new year, to say 2026. They've already started educating themselves on a great way of growing a small account by day trading, taking the opportunity there with so many pros, during a specific session that allows them to grow that actual account. All right. So if you believe in what I'm trying to say, basically, and take interest more so in day trading, drop a comment down below. I'd like to know, what are some of your reasons and why you chose to become a day trader, intraday versus, maybe a swing or position style trader. Now, I know not everyone can sit in front of the charts, because some people do work full-time jobs. But again, like I said, there's opportunity in trading other sessions. But if you are that individual and you choose to be a swing trader or position trader, let me know down below as well. What is the purpose and reason why? Is it because of your job? Is it just because you feel maybe you have the capital or money to where you want to hold trades? Or is it just simply because, that's the way you learn, as far as, from maybe more so an investment standpoint, maybe you invested in stocks, that could be something that you have in your portfolio or options. So you're taking that and moved it over into the futures market and say, you know what, I want to hold long and just ride the wave. Nothing wrong with doing that. Maybe, again, like you just don't have the time because you are time invested in other things as far as a job, or maybe running a business or whatever it may be. Every person is going to have a reason and a purpose of why we do things in life and the way we actually do it. So nothing wrong with that. But I want to hear some pros and cons as far as why do most of you like to day trade versus swing trading? And then those, again, who are swing traders, why do you choose, from the pro aspect of things, why do you choose to actually become a swing trader? Nothing wrong with people, having different differences and the way they actually trade. Okay, but it all kind of works the same in a sense, because we're all here to do what? Try to perfect and profit from these markets. I just believe that I can do more. So I feel like when I'm actually day trading, I'm actually working in a sense. I don't have to be on the edge of, okay, this trade that I'm in is up, wake up the next morning or sometimes through the night and just constantly having to look at my trades. I like to be in and out and not have to have something hanging over my head. You know what I mean? I like to grab the fruit right while it's there and then move on. All right. So that's just my little analogy, I'll say. Okay. But yeah, if you want to become an actual subscriber to the channel, guys, and you haven't already done so, please make sure to sub by clicking the subscribe button down below, and click on the bell as soon as you do so that you do not miss any of the opportunity from the videos that I post. I post a lot of valuable content that has helped a lot of people here on this channel and within our Discord. Again, the Discord is down below. And if you're interested in really diving deep into the strategy and how I actually trade, again, I don't have a trading course or a mentorship program, but what I do have and offer is a very inexpensive opportunity for anyone that is interested in becoming an elite or an ultra elite supporter, to where you receive, I'm walking you through these setups. And trust me when I say this, you can learn if you really put your mind into it and have an open mind, kind of basis of the strategy as a whole, because supply and demand is universal. It's just some people, we put our own little twist on it. And what I do is very effective if you just simply take the time to understand. I can't make any guarantees, because no one should be able to, or nor make guarantees to anyone. All right. It's just the time you put into it to see if it's going to work for you. But the reason why I do this is because I don't want to charge people hundreds or even thousands of dollars to try to possibly learn something. I'm a firm believer, if it's not working out for me very quickly, or I see that it's not working, then I just cut my ties and move on. And that's why I believe in an inexpensive opportunity for people to see if it's going to work for them or not. I believe you should know within the first maybe 30 days by kind of practicing, back testing, and forward testing. I'm not saying that within 30 days after that, you should be able to go live. No, I believe that you should back test and forward test something, for maybe 2-3 months, or maybe even longer, depending on, your own preference. But you need to really put some skin in the game and really start to see if things are going to work for you. So that's why I offer the opportunity for anyone who wants to dive a little deeper to understand, market structure, price action, my premise and mindset behind the reason why I put stop losses in a certain area, profit targets. That's what I cover in that community of individuals who are part of it. I mean, I appreciate and thank each and every one of you out there who are supporting the channel, as my emphasis not only as a trader, but as a content creator. And that's just my way, a means of giving back, is trying to share something that's been working for me for many years. And I hopefully it does the same for you. If you're watching this and you choose to make that decision or leap to become an elite and ultra elite supporter, if you break it down on a daily basis, it's only like 23 to 24 cents per day. That's all it is. Okay. So the choice is yours. The link is down below, but it has helped a lot of individuals out there. Okay. Some are still with us on the Discord. Some have gone, but again, if you choose to, I greatly appreciate you for supporting the channel. All right, but outside of that, that's all I have, guys. If you have not already taken the time to click that subscribe button, please make sure to click the sub button by and drop me a like or a thumbs up by clicking that button as soon as you can. I greatly appreciate it, but hopefully you've already done so. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your weekend. We do have a new trading week coming up starting Monday, and I'm really anxious and looking forward to getting back into the markets. Of course, the market was closed on Thursday, and then we had early close yesterday, so I didn't trade basically Thursday and Friday. Okay, we had a holiday week. Okay, but yeah, if you did celebrate the holiday, for those that do, I hope everyone had a very restful and time and was able to spend time with their families as well. Take care. I'll see everyone in the next one.